Alright everyone, welcome back. Sending you the absolute biggest virtual hug and wishing you nothing but vibrant health, overflowing energy, and pure positive vibes today and always. Seriously, taking care of yourselves is the most important thing, so wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're feeling strong and ready to tackle a question that hits home for so many of us trying to eat well. Get ready, because we're diving into a real kitchen conundrum. What meat should I actually be eating every single day? Seriously, you want something tasty, satisfying, packed with goodness, and safe enough to have regularly, right? But with so many options shouting for attention, chicken, beef, fish, pork, and confusing headlines about what's healthy, it feels overwhelming. Forget the noise. Buckle up, because we're cutting through the confusion to find the real, practical truth about daily meat choices that truly support your health without the stress. Let's get real straight away. The idea of eating the exact same type of meat every single day isn't usually the best strategy for most people. Why? Because different meats bring different superpowers to the table, and your body thrives on variety to get the full spectrum of nutrients it needs. Think of it like this: you wouldn't wear the same shirt every day forever, right? You need different clothes for different situations. Similarly, your body benefits from a mix of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that no single meat provides perfectly all by itself. Plus, eating the same thing constantly can get boring fast, making it harder to stick to healthy eating long term. However, we absolutely can talk about the types of meat that are generally the safest, most beneficial, and most versatile to form the core of your regular protein intake, appearing frequently, perhaps even daily, but ideally mixed with other options for true balance. The goal is finding meats that deliver maximum nutrition with minimal downsides, fitting easily into your life. So, let's meet the top contenders for your daily plate. First up, the reigning champion of versatility and lean protein, skinless poultry, chicken breast and turkey breast. These guys are incredibly popular for good reason. They are lean protein powerhouses. This means they pack a huge amount of high-quality protein per serving while being very low in total fat and especially low in saturated fat, the kind that's not great for your heart in large amounts. Protein is absolutely essential. It's the building block for your muscles, helping you repair tissues after a workout, stay strong, and feel full and satisfied after eating, which helps prevent those mid-afternoon snack attacks. Chicken and turkey breast are also fantastic sources of important B vitamins, especially niacin, B3, which helps your body turn food into usable energy and keeps your skin and nervous system humming, and vitamin B6, involved in over 100 processes in your body, mostly related to metabolism and brain function. They also provide good amounts of minerals like selenium, a powerful antioxidant protector for your cells, and phosphorus, for strong bones and teeth. Because their flavor is relatively mild, they are incredibly versatile. You can grill them, bake them, shred them for salads or tacos, stir-fry them with veggies, or dice them into soups and stews. They take on any spice or marinade you throw at them, keeping meals exciting. Their low saturated fat profile makes them a generally safe and heart-friendly choice for frequent consumption, including potentially daily, especially if you're focusing on weight management or building lean muscle. For pure, consistent, lean protein delivery day in and day out, skinless poultry breast is incredibly hard to beat. But hold on, let's not forget the ocean's superstar, fish and seafood, especially fatty fish like salmon, but also rotating in others like sardines, mackerel, and cod. Now, eating salmon literally every single day might not be practical or necessary for everyone, but making fish a frequent staple, aiming for at least 2 servings a week, is arguably one of the best things you can do for your health. Fatty fish are unique because they are the best dietary source of those incredible omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. Your body desperately needs these fats but can't make them on its own. They are like VIP passes for your heart and brain. They act as powerful anti-inflammatory agents, calming down chronic inflammation linked to heart disease, arthritis, and even brain fog. They help keep your heartbeat steady, make your blood vessels more flexible, and are crucial building blocks for your brain tissue, supporting everything from mood to sharp thinking. Salmon, specifically, is also one of the very few natural food sources rich in vitamin D, vital for strong bones, a robust immune system, and overall well-being, especially if you don't get much sun. Fish like sardines and mackerel, eat the bones, are also phenomenal sources of calcium. Most fish are also excellent sources of high-quality protein and minerals like selenium and iodine. Smaller fish like sardines and anchovies have the added bonus of being very low in mercury and incredibly sustainable. While you might not eat a salmon fillet every single day, incorporating a variety of fish several times a week, making it a near-daily habit some weeks, delivers unique benefits that land-based meats simply can't match. Think canned tuna, light, skipjack, in salads, sardines on toast, baked cod, or grilled salmon, easy ways to get fish in regularly. Now, what about red meat, like beef, pork, lamb? Can these be part of a daily routine? Here's where we need to be more cautious. Lean cuts of red meat, such as beef sirloin, tenderloin, filet mignon, flank steak, or 95% lean ground beef, and pork tenderloin or loin chops, are nutrient-dense foods. They are fantastic sources of highly absorbable heme iron, crucial for preventing anemia and carrying oxygen, zinc, a powerhouse for your immune system and healing, vitamin B12, essential for nerve health and blood cells, and other B vitamins. However, even lean red meats naturally contain more saturated fat than skinless poultry or most fish. Regularly eating high amounts of saturated fat, especially from fattier cuts, like ribeye, T-bone, regular ground beef, pork belly, lamb chops with fat, is linked by strong scientific evidence to increased levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, and a higher risk of heart disease over time. There are also potential concerns, though less conclusive than for processed meats, about compounds formed during high-heat cooking, like grilling, and a possible link to increased cancer risk with very high, frequent consumption. While lean red meat absolutely has a place in a balanced diet and provides valuable nutrients, making it your daily go-to protein source isn't generally recommended by major health organizations for long-term heart health. Enjoying a lean steak or pork tenderloin a couple of times a week is a smarter approach, letting poultry and fish take the daily spotlight more often. We absolutely cannot ignore the elephant in the room, processed meats. This includes things like bacon, sausage, links and patties, ham, especially deli ham, hot dogs, salami, pepperoni, and bologna. The science on these is very clear and very concerning. They should not be eaten daily, and ideally, should be limited significantly or avoided. Major health organizations like the World Health Organization classify processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same category as tobacco, because strong evidence links them, especially to colorectal cancer. Why? Primarily due to nitrates/nitrites used in preservation, which can form cancer-causing compounds in your body, and their very high sodium and saturated fat content. Eating processed meats regularly significantly increases your risk for heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. They offer little nutritional benefit compared to their risks. So, while they might be convenient or tasty, they have no place as a daily meat choice. So, circling back to the burning question, what meat should you eat every day? The most practical, health-supporting answer is, focus on making skinless poultry, chicken breast, turkey breast, and fish/seafood, especially fatty fish like salmon, but rotating with others, your daily go-to proteins. These offer the best combination of high-quality nutrition, low saturated fat, and versatility for frequent consumption. Skinless poultry breast is your reliable, lean foundation, safe, nutritious, and easy to prepare in countless ways. Fish, particularly fatty fish, brings irreplaceable omega-3s and vitamin D that are crucial for long-term health. Aim to include it several times a week, making it feel almost daily in your routine. Lean red meat has valuable nutrients, especially iron and zinc, and can be enjoyed, but keep it to a few times per week rather than daily to manage saturated fat intake. Avoid processed meats as daily choices entirely, save them for very occasional treats. The real golden rule, though, is variety and balance. Even within your daily poultry and frequent fish, mix it up. Don't just eat chicken breast every single day forever. Have turkey burgers, try different fish, cod, tilapia, sardines, shrimp, explore lean cuts of pork tenderloin occasionally. And crucially, meat shouldn't dominate your plate. Fill at least half your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits. Include healthy plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh several times a week. Add whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or oats. This diversity ensures you get a wide range of fibers, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that meat alone doesn't provide, creating a truly balanced and nourishing diet. How you cook your meat matters immensely too. Grilling, baking, broiling, steaming, or poaching are the healthiest methods. Avoid deep frying and smothering lean meats in heavy, creamy, or sugary sauces. Season generously with herbs, spices, garlic, lemon, and healthy fats like olive oil. By making smart choices focused on lean poultry and diverse fish as your core, enjoying other meats in moderation, piling on the plants, and cooking wisely, you can confidently build delicious, healthy meals day after day that truly support your well-being. Thanks so much for watching. Take wonderful care of yourselves, nourish your bodies wisely, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and eat well.